Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amalina binti Ibrahim. My matric number is 20244194432. Today I want to present the individual assignment cost control. Based on the table given, income statement Hotel Sharina for F&B department March 2025. For the sale, Skyview Cafe food is 58,000, beverage 12,000, and the Palm Lunch is beverage 38,000, banquet event sale, food and beverage is 22,000. Total sale is 130,000. Cost of goods sold for food is 29,600 and beverage is 18,700 and total cost of sale is 48,300 and gross profit is 81,700 and operating expenses is include salary and wages, utility, employee meal. Operating expenses is salary and wages is 21,000, utility is 400, 800, employee meal is 1,400 and maintenance and repair is 2,200. Marketing is 1,800. Rent and descriptions is 5,000. Miscellaneous operating expenses is 100. Total expenses is 37,200 and net operating income is 44,500. To calculate its total sale is equal Skyview Cafe food sale plus Skyview Cafe beverage plus the Plum Lunch beverage sale plus banquet event sale. Total sale is 58,000 plus 12,000 plus 38,000 plus 22,000 and total sale is 130,000. And for number 2, total cost of sale is, when we calculate total sale, is cost of food sold plus cost of beverage sold is 29,600 plus 8,700. Total cost of sale is 48,300. Calculate a gross profit. Total sale minus total cost of sale. Gross profit is 130,000 minus 48,300. Gross profit is equal 81,700. For number 4, total operating expenses is salary and wages plus utility plus employee meal plus maintenance and repair plus marketing plus rent and descriptions and plus miscellaneous operating expenses. The answer is 21,000 plus 4,800 plus 22,000 plus 1,800 plus 5,000 plus 1,000. Total operating expenses is 37,200. For number 5, net operating income is gross profit minus total operating expenses. 1,700 minus 37,20 hundredths equal to 44/500. Calculate the overall food cost percents. Food cost divide food sale multiply 100. 29,600 divide 22,000 plus 58,000 multiply 100 equal to 37%. For B, overall beverage cost percent is beverage cost divide beverage sale multiply 100. 18,700 divide 12,000 plus 78,000 multiply 100 equal to 20.78%. And C, combined F&B cost. Total cost divide total sale multiplies 100. 48,300 divide 1,000 130,000 multiply 100 equal to 37.15%. And gross profit margins is divide total sale multiply 100 is 81,700 divide 130,000 multiply 100 equal to 62.85%. Based on these calculations, the percentage of food cost is shown 37, meaning that of sale revenue spent on the food cost. This is a crucial metric for assessing the efficiency of cost management. The beverage cost percentage is 20.78%. The beverage sale is spent on beverage cost. This is also an important metric for beverage cost management. This combined F&B cost percentage is 37.50%, representing the total cost of food and beverage as a percentage of the total sale. It provides an overview of overall cost effectiveness in sale. The gross profit margin is 62.85%, which is so the percentage of revenue remain after deduct the cost of the good and sold. This shows maintaining a cost-effective and achieving good profit margin on sale. Lastly, the food and beverage cost percentage 37% and 20.78% show how efficiently the department management is cost relative to sale. Lower percentage generally can indicate better cost control. The combined F&B cost of 37.50% give an considered view. The gross profit margin of 62.85% reflect the profit of the sale, and the higher gross profit margins is generally desirable as it leaves more revenue available to cover operating expenses and generate the profits. For managerial recommendations and to F&B manager from cost control, this memo summarizes the cost control performance on the F&B department for March 2025. For an F&B manager in the Hotel Sharina, the overall food cost percentage is 37%, exceeding the target of 30%. This is primarily driven by kitchens and F&B staff. For example, staff should practice increased ingredients costs, excessive wastes in the kitchens to avoid pure portions control. Secondly, need evaluated operating expenses. Total operating expenses is 37,200, which is the 37% higher than the budget 50,000. A significant contributions can reject the final record department. For example, it can increase marketing spend and higher utility bills. And the beverage cost percentage is well managed at 27.8%, and thanks to the manager F&B finding the efficient inventory control, favorite supplier contract, this demonstrates effect cost management, and in the beverage area is will improve and remain efficiently. And we should implement the portion control measure. For example, conduct staff training on the proper portions technique and implement standardized recipe to reduce food waste, and ensure consistent serving size. This is expected to reduce the food cost percentage by 37%. And while negating utility rate of reducing consumers, explore options for lower utility rate with the provider. Also implement energy saving management, such as turning off the switch if not used, and other meaning turning off light of area and using the energy efficiently. It can reduce operating expenses by 37 below. By this recommendation, we can improve a cost performance in the coming month and achieve a profit target.